Good morning Year 2 and welcome to another math session. In today's session and throughout this week, instead of having a lesson, we are going to be having a quiz. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a question on the board, you then pause your video so you have a chance to work it out, and then we're going to go through it together, okay? So let's have a look at the first question. How much money is there here? So all you need to do is add the coins together, okay? Pause your video, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So there are 6 coins here. I'm going to start by adding these 3 coins together first, and then I'm going to add these 3 coins. So I've got a 50p, I have a 20p, and I have another 20p. So I'm going to start by adding these coins together first. So 50, 20 and 20. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So I have 90p here. And then I'm going to add these 3 coins together. So I have 5p plus 2p plus another 2p. Okay? So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Good, well done. So obviously I've not finished there. I now need to add these 2 numbers together and that's going to give me 99p. Well done, if you got that question correct. Next question, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So again, we've got 5 coins here. I'm going to add these coins together first and then these coins, okay? So I have 50p plus 20p. So 50p plus 20p, that's quite easy. We know that's going to be 70p. And then, so I've added these coins together. Now I need to add these 3 coins together. So I have 5p plus another 5p plus another 2p, okay? So 5 plus 5 we know is 10. And 10 plus 2 is, excellent, it's 12, okay? I now need to add 70 and 12 together. So 70 plus 12, so 0 plus 2 is 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, well done. So my answer is going to be 82p. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So Sam takes 50p to the shop to buy some fruit. How much change will he get if he buys a banana and an apple? So you need to work out how much change he will get if he buys a banana and then how much change he'll get if he buys an apple. Okay? So remember, you can pause your video again if you want to have a look at this question again, but let's go through it. So he has a 50p coin and he uses it to pay for a banana that costs 27p. Remember, when we're thinking about calculating the change, we need to think about subtraction, okay? So I'm going to start off by doing 50 minus 27. So 50 minus 27, okay? 0 minus 7, I'm not going to be able to do that, so I need to go to the tens column, and the 5 becomes a 4, and then that becomes a 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. Good, well done. So my answer to this is going to be 23p. Okay, let's now go on to the next sum. So the next sum again, I have 50p, I buy an apple, not me, but Sam has 50p, he buys an apple that costs 36p. Again, we need to use subtraction to calculate the change. So 50 minus 36. So 0 minus 6, I'm not going to be able to do that, so I need to go to the next column. Then the 5 becomes a 4, and that becomes a 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So my answer is going to be 14p. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Write these numbers in order. So you need to write these numbers in order, starting with the smallest. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So my smallest number is going to be 8. Then it's going to be 12, then it's going to be 32, then it's going to be 45, then it's going to be 87, and then 93. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Off you go. Write these numbers in order, starting with the smallest. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So my smallest number is 27. going to be 31. Then it's going to be 62. Then it's going to be 67. Then it's going to be 76. The final number, I'm sure we know, is 105. Well done if you got that question correct. The next question. Choose two numbers from this list to make the number sentence correct. So have a look at the sign carefully, off you go. Now, for this question, there's so many different answers, okay? But what you need to do is, what you need to remember is, look at the greater sign, okay? So this number has to be bigger than the number on this side. So for example, you could have 67 and 31, okay? Remember, you're using these numbers, okay? So as long as your answer, so when you look at your answer, as long as the number here is bigger than the number here, and you've used these numbers, the question's right. So well done if you got that right, okay? Next question, off you go. Okay, let's have a look. What fraction of these buttons are blue? So firstly, I need to add how many buttons there are in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 buttons in total, and that's going to be my denominator. For my numerator, I need to count how many buttons are blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that's how many buttons are blue, and you could also write a half as well. So well done if you got that question correct. I'm now going to leave you with this question here. So read the question really, really carefully, have a think about the answer, and don't forget to post any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you for listening, Year 2. Bye-bye.